Hey everyone, welcome back. Hope you're doing well. Today, I'm sharing with you 5 AI tools you can use for free before they get banned or restricted. And some of these tools are already facing limitations worldwide. So stick around till the end. You don't want to miss this list. The first one is DeepSeek. This is a super powerful AI model developed in China that is seen as a direct competitor to ChatGPT. It offers similar functionalities like text generation, question answering, summarization, and more. The catch here is that several countries, including the Czech Republic, Germany, Italy, and even some Australian companies, have already banned its use due to data privacy and security concerns. So if you still have access to it, try it out while you can, because restrictions are spreading fast. You can find more details below. Number 2. Google Gemini CLI. Now what does CLI mean? Well, it stands for Command Line Interface. In simple terms, it's a way to interact with computers using text commands. It might sound a bit technical, but trust me, it's incredibly useful once you get the hang of it. Imagine having an AI assistant right in your terminal ready to help you with coding, fixing bugs, or just about anything. That's what the Google Gemini CLI offers. It lets you use Gemini 2.5 Pro for free, straight from your command line. You can use natural language to code, fix bugs, manage tasks, and generate content. It's like having ChatGPT in your terminal. Best part, you get up to 1,000 free requests every single day. But remember, free tiers like this don't always last forever. So explore it while you can. You can find more details below. No. 3 on the list is Google Cloud AI free tier. Google Cloud AI offers a bunch of tools for free, including cloud translation, vision AI, speech-to-text, and even video intelligence. These are incredibly valuable tools that can help you in your personal or professional life. Whether you need to translate text or video, analyze images, or convert speech to text, Google Cloud AI has got you covered. Plus, new users get $600 in free credits. That's a lot of freebies to play around with. Not only that, you also get monthly free usage after that. So feel free to experiment with AI without spending a dime. But remember, Google often changes its free limits, so try it out soon. You can find more details below. Up next is our good old friend, ChatGPT. Yup, we all know ChatGPT by now. It's been everywhere. But did you know even on the free plan, you get access to some pretty amazing features? With the free version, you get GPT-4o, DALL-E 3 image generation, web browsing, file uploads, and access to the GPT store. It's an incredible deal, considering it's totally free. However, OpenAI could scale back the free features at any time. So if you're not using it, you're definitely missing out on some valuable AI goodness. Last but certainly not least is Claude. It's been making quite a buzz lately as a rising star in the AI world. So there you have it, 5 AI tools you can use for free before they get banned or restricted. Give them a try and let me know what you think. And remember, stay tuned for more awesome content. Alright, folks, that's a wrap. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more updates, and share it with your friends. Catch you in the next one.